Well, there you are. You're right down there. That's Baby. Hi, sweetie pie. That's Baby. Would you want to come see Daddy? You don't want to come see Daddy? I know you do. You're from a different family than the ones I saw across the creek. You're my. That's Babe. No. What have you been? Why do you look? Does the apple lady still come in the morning? And what is that on your leg? Sweetie pie, is that something bad on your leg, or is that just inside your leg? I don't know. I worry about you. And you look thin. Well, anyway, so